In order to log on to ClassLink, I would do the following. Make sure that I'm logged out of all my email accounts and then log on to classlink.lcusd, classlink.lcusd.net. And then once we go in there, the students could type in their login and password. So in this case, it would be the student last name, their graduation number at mylcusd.net, their password, and then sign in with Google. They'll be asked to sign in one more time, so click on their email account, type in the same password, press next. Once the students are in here, these are all the apps that are available today in order to go and access the Journeys books. They can click on the Think Central. And then My Library will give the students access to their textbook. My Library, student ebook right there. We are currently on book 2. We finished book 1. And so right over here, they can go down and click on the lesson. So for example, this week, starting Monday, the story is Seed from Plant, lesson 25. So what I would do is click on that, and then from Seed to Plant, there's the story. Tells them about they can go this way to access the vocabulary connected to the story. Right there, that's starting number 1. And then they can press this arrow here, which will give them access to this actual story, which would be the setup in the textbook, and then they can continue on from there.